account size. If you're accepted into the funded trader program, we allocate you with $15,000 to trade with. Then whenever you hit your 10% target, we will double that. So you'll receive $30,000 and on up to a maximum of $500,000.
Which financial assets can be traded? Currently on this account you can trade only Forex pairs, and eventually in the future you may be allowed to trade indexes and commodities. The reason we don't allow trading of indexes and commodities is because they take a lot of margin on the account, and also they're extremely volatile.
So are overnight positions allowed? You're allowed to keep trades open overnight, but over the weekend, all exposure must be closed at Friday 6 p.m. GMT unless the risk management team approves your request to keep the position open for the weekend.
Is news trading allowed? We don't allow our traders to hold open positions during major news events, but our risk management team will let you know in advance of any events that you will have to close your trades beforehand.
Are there any challenges or tests to pass before getting a real account? We do not believe in demo trials or challenges. If your interview is successful and you are accepted into the program, you will start with a $15,000 live account immediately.
What's the maximum account size every trader can get with AudaCity? Every trader starts with $15,000 account, and when he reaches 10% profit target, we will withdraw the money, pay you the same day, and we will double the account size to $30,000. So every time you reach 10% profit target, we double the account size. And if you're consistent reaching the 10% target, you can trade up to a $500,000 account.
How are profits split? Profits are split on a 50-50 basis. When you hit your 10%, for example, if you hit your 10% on 15,000, 1,500 is a total profit made. 50% goes back to a company, which is 750, and 750 goes back to you within 24 hours.
What's the leverage on the account? We have a 1 to 5 leverage on our accounts, and for the $15,000 account, we start with a maximum exposure of half a lot. This maximum exposure is doubled when your account is doubled when you reach the profit target. So for one lot with a $30,000 capital account, and so on.
So which broker is used? We do not use a retail broker. However, we use an institutional liquidity provider that allows us to benefit from deep liquidity in the market, which gives us very tight spreads, no commissions, nor swap.
What platform do we use? We use the MetaTrader platform.
What trading strategies are allowed? You're allowed to use your own trading strategies as long as you adhere to our risk parameters and guidelines.
Why are fees involved? Fees are involved because we spread our risk with the traders in terms of market risk, but we expect our traders to cover some of the administration costs of software, platform admin, and the risk manager attached to each account to make sure risk parameters and drawdown levels are met.
What's the maximum drawdown? The drawdown on the funded traders account with AudaCity is set as 10%. So if you reach 10% drawdown, which means if you lose 10% from the initial account, we may have to terminate your account. Obviously we don't want you to do that. The good thing is that this drawdown is absolute drawdown, so it's a drawdown on the initial equity. It's not a trailing drawdown, and this way it works in your favor.